What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I hope everyone is doing well, and today in this video I'll be introducing you guys a great product for music lovers. What if your headphone did not just play music but made you feel it? Meet the Sonic Lamp, the world's first headphone with a built-in subwoofer system, proudly made in India. And I've been testing them from past few days and it's unlike anything I've ever used before. Let's unbox it, talk about its tech, and find out what makes Sonic Lamp so special. The unboxing experience is beautiful done here. Sonic Lamp has gone for a sustainable aesthetics. No plastic here, and just look at this. When you lift the lid, you are greeted with the Eco-Nest style presentation, natural fibers surrounding the carry case. Inside sits the Sonic Lamp travel case, neatly tucked in with a thank you card. On the top, it instantly gives you premium yet earthly vibes, something you rarely see in tech packaging. Inside the box you get Sonic Lamp headphones, a detachable mic, USB Type-C cable for charging and audio, a durable travel case with a soft fabric finish, quick start guide and a brand card. Even the carry case feels solid and minimal, perfect for travel and protection. The headphones themselves have a refined and sturdy design, a mix of vegan leather, silicone, spring steel and a premium plastic. They weigh around 320 grams, which gives them the perfect balance, solid but not too heavy. The headphone is adjustable and the ear cushion, also called as woofer pads, are plush breathable and they are also replaceable. But the headband adjustment was slightly on the harder side when I initially started using them, but now it's a lot improved. Still, I would say it can be slightly better. The cushion pads which are already present here, they entirely cover my ear and I never felt that they are smaller inside. On the right cup, you'll find multi-mode dial, the key to unlock different sound experience, plus a USB Type-C port, soft clickable buttons and a LED indicator. Here's where things gets interesting. Sonic Lamp uses hybrid drivers, acoustic with subwoofer pads, combining two powerful drivers on each side. A dynamic driver that handles mids and highs using a air conduction, and an impulse driver that converts bass frequencies into gentle mechanism vibration. You can feel them physically. Both are powered by 3 built-in amplifiers and a Qualcomm QCC304 chipset, delivering up to 24-bit high-resolution audio and up to 48 kHz audio over Bluetooth 5.1 and up to 96 kHz when wired via USB Type-C. And the results, you don't just hear the bass, you actually feel them through the skin and bones, almost like a tiny subwoofer built in inside your headphones. Sonic Lamp gives you 4 modes that completely changes how you experience music. There's this first one which is Hear mode, in which subwoofers are completely turned off. You get neutral and detailed sound. Then we have the Feel mode, a soft, pleasant bass layer for casual listening. Then we have this Immersive mode, powerful, cinematic, bass for movies or deep tracks. And at last we have Beast mode, the full-blown subwoofer experience. You can literally feel every beat. Even in Hear mode, the sound signature is clean and balanced. The vocals and instruments stays crisp, and when you activate the impulse driver, you get that deep physical connection to your music without losing clarity. So if you're the one who loves bass, they are perfect. I've never had such experience before. It's like you are at the nightclub and the loud DJ is being played. See, you can adjust the sound as per your requirement. Headphones are really great for music, but if you are a gamer, then I would say think about it before buying. Here I'm not talking about the casual gaming, but if you are the one who plays games like, competitive gaming, BGMI, Call of Duty, where you require the accuracy of footsteps and zero latency, I would not recommend, because here there's a slight latency issues because I play a lot of BGMI and it's a bit uncomfortable to monitor the accurate steps. So I'll not recommend if you are a hardcore gamer. Now talking about the battery life, which is again a solid part. Up to 42 hours in Hear mode, around 12 hours in the Beast mode. It also supports fast charging. If you charge it for 5 minutes, you can easily get 1 hour of playback, and if you charge 10 minutes, you can easily get 6 hours of playback, though the charging will take somewhere around 2 hours. It uses Bluetooth 5.1 with a range of 15 meters, and when you plug it in via USB Type-C, it can play and charge together without draining the battery. You also get a passive noise cancellation, thanks to the thick woofer pads, keeping outside noise low naturally. For calls and meeting, you have 2 internal microphones, plus a detachable mic. It uses 8th Gen clear voice capture to keep your voice crisp and clean, ideal for calls, video meeting, or even casual streaming. Check out the audio quality with the detachable mic and the built-in one.
Okay, now tell me, how is the audio quality? I'm currently using the detachable mic on these headphones.
The quality is good. I can't make it out that you are using some detachable mic.
Okay, so in general, with this mic, with a detachable mic, the audio quality seems to be good. And now I'll remove the detachable mic and let me know about the audio quality. How do you feel it?
Okay.
Okay, so now I've removed and using the internal mics of headphones.
So, like, there is not much difference. Yeah, little bit of difference is there. Like, you are little bit far away from the device.
Okay, but overall, like
Overall,
it's
it's same. You cannot make out much difference.
okay. Done.
The Sonic Lamp app is core part of experience. It's simple and add real values. Here's what it does. Soon you pair the headphones, you get the mode demo. When you switch modes in the application, from hear, feel, immerse to beast, it plays a short demo track so you can instantly feel the difference. Great for showing viewers or testing quickly. You can also create custom equalizers and save them later on as a custom profile for different use cases. This app also includes an earprint hearing analysis feature which is not yet rolled out, and it says coming soon. You also get a toggle to control the headphone LED from where you can turn it off and turn it on. You can choose default mode, save presets, and switch quickly between profiles for music, movies, or calls. All of this makes it easy to fine-tune how the impulse driver interact with your music and your ears. Not just the raw power, but controllable personal sound. Sonic Lamp is a creative leap, from eco-friendly packaging and premium material to hybrid drivers and a truly useful personalization app. The app ties everything together. See, according to my experience, as I've been using them from past few days, I would rate them 8 out of 10. If they fix these two things, they will be always my first recommendation. One of them is the cushions. Those can have better airflow. If I use them for a long time, like I continuously play games for 3 to 4 hours, it's very hard to use them continuously. You start feeling sweat around your ears, and which makes you very uncomfortable. And the second thing is latency issue while gaming. So if these two things are fixed, they will be my favorite headphones and I would recommend to everyone. And if you want to purchase them, you can find the link in the description below. So guys, this was all about these headphones from Sonic Lamp. If you guys have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.
In your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you